Family, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Sarah and welcome to the Simpson house. Come on in. So we wanted to do a house tour. My husband is actually behind the camera, but we wanted to do a house tour for you. It's the most requested video that we have gotten like for the past few weeks, and everyone's been asking, have we moved to a new home? And yes, we have.
We're going to get straight into this house tour. We don't own this house. We are renting at the moment, but yes, it is in the long run. We will one day own our house, speak life upon it. But yeah fam, I hope you guys enjoy this little tour. Like Sarah said, a lot of the family have requested to see our new home that we have by ourselves.
I know, we are actually so blessed to be in our own space. You know, for years we've been saying we want to buy, but God always had a different plan for us. So let's just get into this tour. We hope you guys like this video. Before you continue on watching, I want you guys to pause this video, make sure you go down below, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and join the family. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're in our lounge slash kitchen. I don't know what the actual word is called. We got these lights hanging down. I don't like the color of it. It's like too yellowy, but yeah, it's what we're but it's okay. So we just got our couches here, and honey, give them a show them how this bad boy works.
You just sit there. Hard day of work. You sit there. On the side and just this is usually me after work, right? Straight on the lazy floor.
Okay, wake up now. So we kind of stuck to the theme of trying to keep it like brown and like cream and white. There's not much white, but we got a lot of brown. I can say that. One of my favorite features of the front of this lounge, it has to be this door. I love that you could just exit through the front here, go onto your, what do you call this, honey? Sitting, I don't know.
Front yard.
Front yard. My husband clearly didn't fold up the hose. It's been like that for like a whole week. But yeah, I just get a coffee and I invite my sisters over. My jokes. We've only eaten outside here once, so yeah. But I actually wanted to give a shout out to one of our gym members from Wolves Den. It's Mumsy. Her name is Athena and her partner's name is Seth. They actually gave us this outdoor set, and we're actually so blessed because we didn't think that other people were thinking of us. So we were just telling people, yeah, we moved into our new home, and then Athena was like, no, we got this beautiful outdoor furniture that we could give you. And I was like, okay. When she dropped it off and my husband set it all up, I was like in awe at the amazement of this outdoor furniture that was blessed to us. So yeah, shout out to you, Athena and Seth. Thank you so much for my outdoor furniture.
We're actually blessed with this table and the dining chairs. So Mum, our meal, which is Sarah's mother, she bought us this table here. So shout out to Mum. And also Brother Will, you guys would have seen him on our vlogs and all that. He said, oh, you know what, our work is throwing away these chairs. And bro, he pretty much grabbed them, chucked them in his car, and I was like, oh, nah, I don't want to be hassled, da da da. But he's like, nah, I'm gonna drop it off. So he dropped it off for us, and now we got somewhere to eat. You know, we don't sit on the floor in there anymore.
I know, and I love that they're like suede. Yeah, they're cute.
Sorry. Welcome to my office. This is where I hang out a lot.
For real.
This fridge was actually from our sister Vaughn. Shout out to sister Vaughn.
A lot of our furniture we were really blessed by everyone around us. So our girl Vaughn actually bought us this fridge. She just rocked up one day and was like, no, I'm buying you a fridge. Tuxx, come with me. We're gonna go and get this fridge. And then, yeah, because we didn't have a fridge for like 2 weeks. And, oh no, we didn't have a fridge for a week. For 1 week. But we had everything else. Like we had the dining table, but we didn't have the chairs. We had like food, but we didn't have a fridge. We had like, we were like eating so bad that week, weren't we? Yeah. And then Willie and Kat yet again surprised us with a microwave. Oh my God. So we were really blessed, really blessed by everyone wanting to help us, you know, move in. And you know, we accept these blessings 100%. Don't block a blessing. So if someone wants to bless you with something, instead of you being like, oh no, just take it. Don't block their blessing. Keep that in mind the next time someone's trying to give you money.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh no, because you know it is a bit awkward, when you're just no, and they're like, bro, just take
and they're like, here, and they're like, no, here, and then you're like, here, no, here. But like, you're just blocking that person's blessing. So think about that the next time that situation happens to you. Yeah. Okay, so we are actually in a double-story house, which is, yeah, this is the upstairs where all of our bedroom and our bathroom is. This is our guest bathroom. We were fortunate enough to get a bathtub where Tuxx can wash his butt, and also he can wash his butt in the shower. So, yeah. We also have a toilet. We have a toilet. We forgot to show you the toilet downstairs. But this bathroom actually connects with the other bedroom. It isn't the master room, but I guess you can call it a master room because it does connect to the bathroom. Yeah, does that make sense, honey? If that makes sense, like comment down below. We've never done a house tour before and I'm like so nervous. This is our first bedroom and it is called the blue room. Okay, I'm gonna give this over to my husband.
So like Sarah said, guys, this is the blue room. I've got a blue shirt on, my favorite color. Yeah, the only thing that's blue is the picture. So,
where did you get your beautiful picture from?
I actually painted it, guys. It's one of my many talents. But yeah, this is our old bed, This is a nice, good bed where a lot of our family have come over to jump on. Lanny likes to run up here and just run amok. Trying to figure out what to do with this little space here. If you guys got any ideas?
Yes, if you have any ideas what we could put in this little space, it's so pretty. I wanted to do like a little section where when we're editing and stuff, we could come and put a table there and then we can do our editing there, but yeah, I don't know. This is, oh my gosh, this is the pink room. So obviously my favorite color is pink. Ugh, love pink. But I also just wanted to create this little pink room for my little baby Adea. Have a look.
Boom.
We have her photo frame from her first birthday. And because she loves butterflies, I got her this little frame, which is a 3D butterfly frame. And yeah, in this closet, so we have 3 closets, and because Tuxx and I own so many clothes, I had to actually spread it out, and I put in the blue room is got Tuxx's suits and church attire, and in this closet is our casual closet. So yeah, maybe another vlog. Maybe another vlog we will show you guys what our cupboards look like inside. But yeah, let's go to the master room. is Tuxx and I's room. So this is the master bedroom. In here is our bathroom. Our bathroom is actually pretty messy right now, so I don't want us to go in there. But yeah, it has a toilet and a shower. And this is our bedroom. Excuse the lighting. We need to fix that light, honey. So I don't know how these house tours go, but I'm gonna explain how we got our bed. So on the day that we were moving in, I couldn't handle the fact that we didn't have a bed. So Tuxx and I went everywhere, as well as my mom and I, because Tuxx had to go to work, and my brother. So we went everywhere looking for a bed, and everywhere we went, like we went to Furniture Galore, we went to, what was the other bed? Harvey Norman, Amar. Like we went to all of those furniture, bedding kind of shops, and all of them said that they didn't have any in stock, that we had to order. So we decided to go, Tuxx was like, no honey, just wait, maybe you'll find something another day. And I was just kept saying to him, no, I want it now, I want it now. I hate an incomplete house, like we're moving in, might as well just get everything in. But Tuxx was like, no, patience is key. This is why I married him, because I always love to rush, and Tuxx is always the patient one. So he told me to wait, and I waited, and the day that we moved in was the day that I found this bed with my brother, Black Cat. I got to get the bed that I wanted, which is a king size in this aqua kind of color. And don't mind the pillows. Like I said, I don't know how to set them up, so they look just like this. I don't know how they're meant to look. Maybe this triangle, maybe the square, something like that. My blanket was from Kmart, and you know I love Kmart. I absolutely love Kmart. Yeah, this is our bed. We're gonna go outside. There is a side door, and it's our balcony. So yeah, it's pretty dark. Tuxx finished work really late, and I really wanted to shoot this when the sun was up, but it's okay. I really wanted to push this content out for you. So you guys can finally see our house, and yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. There isn't really much here, but it's only the two of us, so we don't need a 5-bedroom house with 5 bathrooms and 2, maybe 3 garages.
We also have a really cool mirror there. So yeah fam, this is just our beautiful home. My frame that I got from Kmart for $5.
Hey, nah, I actually painted this one too, guys.
Oh no, you didn't. So yeah fams, this is our home. I hope you guys enjoy it. Why is my voice always like this? Oh my god.
Oh no, no.
Why? Change the voice, Sarah. Okay, so yeah, that was our house tour. We actually have youth in like 10 minutes. What time is it? No, we have youth in 5 minutes. So we hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. I don't know if my hair looked a bit flat. I kept touching it because it just felt flat. But yeah. What's your favorite bit of the house? Oh, we also have a garage, and the garage, let's just quickly show them.
Yeah.
So through this sliding door, we have another toilet. So all up we have 3 toilets, 2 bathrooms. This is the door to our garage. It's really nothing, and it's so like messy.
Yeah.
As you can see through our shoes, like 10,000 people live here.
Don't add us, guys.
We will. I gotta get like, what is it called?
Like a shoe rack or something.
Rack. I seriously need a shoe rack because the amount of shoes my husband has. Yeah, so this is the garage, and we try and work out here.
Yep.
This is the only gym equipment that we have. We've been doing body weights lately, but we got this from Kmart for $39.
Show us a few kettlebell swings. Oh.
What else? What else?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Is this what you want to see?
That's it. And that's our chair. We just sit there while waiting for our turn to train. You just sit there and like think, wow, do I really want to do this?
So yeah, that's actually the whole house. And what is the favorite bit of your house?
Favorite bit of the house has to be the kitchen.
Yeah, Tuxx actually cooks a lot for us. He's always in the kitchen. Wow, I'm really puffed out from this.
Maybe just take a break, chill a little bit. So yeah, the reason why I like the kitchen is, yeah, I like cooking. I do a lot of cooking. Sometimes I can't be stuffed, but then, you know, it's like the gym. Once you walk through that door, once you get started, you're just like, you know what? I'm ready to make a masterpiece. What about yourself?
My favorite bit of our house would have to be our bedroom, because of our bed. I just love our king size bed. You know, we've been sleeping on a queen size
for a long time.
For 2 years, honey. And to be honest, Tuxx is my fiki.
To all of you guys out there, if you're thinking about a king size bed,
get it.
Just do it, man. Cause
do it.
Bro,
you won't regret it.
So much space in my life.
So much, like honestly, no lies, honey. I sometimes forget you're in the bed. Honestly. That I'm looking for you. I'm like this. I'm like sleepy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, where's my husband? And he's like on the other side of the bed.
Still on the edge, bro.
Still on the edge. He still sleeps on the edge, even though you're the moi fiki. But yeah, TNS family, we hope you guys enjoyed this house tour. You know, sorry we were rushing. It's because we have youth and we got to quickly wrap this video up so we can join our Zoom call. But TNS family, please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, and comment down below what your favorite room is, and if you didn't like our house or if you loved our house. Like, we love it. But yeah, TNS family, we love you so much. What should they do, honey?
Don't forget to like, comment,
share and subscribe. Laters.